Facebook Live for any kiddos who can't make it in person. And today we're going to be talking about tractors. Yeah, because this month we're talking about things that go. Has anyone here seen a tractor in real life?
Have you seen a tractor?
You've seen a tractor? Has anyone ridden on a tractor in real life? Yeah, you've ridden on a tractor. That's really fun. All right.
I seen one at the berry farm.
At the berry farm. Very cool. Yeah, there are a lot of tractors at farms. So if you're new to story time, we always start out by standing up and singing. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. So let's all stand up and we'll sing together.
We're going to stand up and sing a song.
Right. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, spin around. If you're happy and you know it, spin around. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, spin around. Right, if you're happy and you know it, sit right down. If you're happy and you know it, sit right down. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, sit right down. Good job, everybody. All right, so if our kids want to come sit up front, we have space, and our parents are welcome to move any chairs they want to over here. Also, if our parents could make sure to sign in on the sign-in sheet on that table while we are reading the first book, that would be great. So the first book we're going to read today is called The Runaway Tractor, and it was written by Heather Amery. This is the apple tree farm. This is Mrs. Boots and the farmer. She has 2 children whose names are Poppy and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. Well, Ted, over here, you see Ted, he's the tractor driver, and he has filled the trailer with, does anyone know what's in the trailer? Straw or hay. He is taking it to the fields to feed the sheep. Now, what do the sheep say? That's right. Poppy and Sam hear a funny noise. Listen, says Sam, Ted is shouting, and the tractor is making a funny noise. Let's go and look. They run to the top of the hill, and oh no, the tractor is racing down the hill, going faster and faster. It won't stop, says Ted. Oh no, the trailer carrying the hay comes off of the tractor. The trailer runs down the hill and crashes into the fence. It tips up and all of the hay falls out of the walk behind the horse. The end. All right, let's stand up, everybody. We are going to sing a song. And since our tractors work on a farm, we are going to sing a song about the farm. Becky know this song. We're going to bring out some animals to help us sing it. So, we have our barn here. And our garden.
Look, there's the farm.
On the farm.
Like that.
And does anyone know who this is?
Farmer.
It's a farmer. His name is Old MacDonald. So we're going to sing Old MacDonald, and I'm going to pull out the animals one by one, all right? Old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he has a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here cluck, there cluck, everywhere cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a sheep. What does the sheep say? E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here, ba, there, ba, everywhere, ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right, who's going to be next? We have a turkey. What does a turkey say? Gobble, gobble. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a turkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there. Here gobble, there gobble, everywhere gobble gobble. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Here oink, there oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right, we got one more. Who's this? And horses say, hey. All right, so this is going to be our last one. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great job. Sit back down. So we're going to do one more flannel board story. This one I'm going to need your help because we're going to count some animals in a barn. Alright, we got our red little barn.
There's our barn.
And let's see how many animals we have in this barn. We have a cow. We have a chicken. We have a sheep. We have and we have a dog. And how many is that? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all 5 were, how many do we have left? 4. And then there were 4. Well, now we have 4 animals living in the barn. And the cow left to go lay under the tree. And then there were 3 animals living in the barn. But the pig found some corn to chew. And then there were 2 animals living in the barn. But the sheep was on the run. And then there were 1 animal living in the barn. The chicken went for a swim and then lay in the sun. And then there were 9. Great counting. We're going to read one more book. And this one is called Funny Farm. It's written by Mark. All right. This is a very funny farm. You're going to see why. Because things aren't like you would think they would be on this farm. All right. In the spring, Cousin Judy, Uncle Earl, and Aunt Josephine meets Edward at the train station. It is Edward's first visit to Hawthorne Farm. Did you see anything funny happening on this page? What do you see that's funny?
That's a pole.
Yeah, they're playing a game, and then what are the pigs doing?
Swinging and swinging.
Yeah, do pigs normally swing on a swing? No. What a funny farm. In the morning, everyone gets up early. What do you see that's funny on this page? Yeah, the moon is still out. Well, sometimes the moon is out during the day. That can happen sometimes. What are the sheep doing? Yeah, what's the sheep doing? He's brushing his teeth. Do you think that sheep normally brush their teeth? No. What a funny farm. Well, Uncle Earl shows Edward how to milk the cow. See anything funny about this?
There's a dog.
Yeah, Edward is a dog, and he is milking the cow. Do you think that dogs usually milk cows? Who do you think normally milks cows? Humans. That's right. What a funny farm. Well, Judy helps Edward feed the pigs. Do you see something funny on this page? He fell into the food bowl. What a silly dog. Then Edward gathers eggs from the hen our new friends, we always do a letter of the week to help us learn our letters. So this week our letter is the letter L. And what sound does an L make? Yeah, that's right. So let's look at some words that start with that sound. Can you help me figure out what they are? We have a llama. And then what's this one? A leaf. A lion. A ladybug. A light bulb. And a lollipop. And those are all words that start with the letter L. So I'm going to pass out our whiteboards so that everybody can practice writing their letters L. Alright, some of our kids might have to share whiteboards. So maybe if you have a brother or sister here, you can share your whiteboard with them.
He just thought you were cool. Okay, wait on my ear. He knows how to do it. So they're two.
Get a board, Chance.
And these are my other two. They're 6 and 8. Okay.
Get one from the box, yeah. Mommy can help you.
Emma, babe, grab a board. Best thing we ever did. That's okay. He already knows that.
Alright, someone use this one? Do you want to? You can try, if you don't have writing out, you can try writing out one of the words. How do you spell L?
She's like, I want it. Where are you going?
Then you go like this to make a bridge. You go, there you go. Why is it right there? Like, what's happening? What's going on? Okay.
You have an eraser on the back of your cap. How about you don't have to use your finger?
What are you doing? Hello, hello. Hi, hello, hello.
Ladybugs.
You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Oh, you're so cute too. What?
Draw a ladybug or a lollipop?
Good job, Chance. Put it back in the box if you're done with it. Erase it.
I want to grab everything. Text like 8 years old. Hard for kids. Here, go either way.
You're not gonna
Hopefully they figure out what we're actually doing. I'm like,
Good.
You put this in this bag.
Her mom will open it. Like,
No, stay here.
Alright, so you finished up. Can you bring your boards back up? And your marker?
okay, do you want to erase it? I think this time we can back. You want to erase?
Gotta stay here.
That's for fun. Finish it up. Bring your boards back up.
It's not yours. It's not yours. Thank you, sorry.
I would like this time too.
I'm like, what do I know the way to sell the wood? Erase everything? Okay, we'll take it back up.
Alright.
Put it in the bag, it's fine.
I'm going to go ahead and hand out our next thing we're going to get.
We're gonna play with something else.
We are going to play with some rhythm sticks. So come up and you need 2 sticks. Everybody gets 2.
Be careful.
Make sure these are hard, so be careful and make sure not to hit any of your friends with them because it will really hurt. So keep an eye on your friends. Rubber sticks together, we rub our sticks together, we rub our sticks together because it's fun to do. We rub our sticks together, we rub our sticks together, we rub our sticks together because it's fun to do. Another thing we can do with them, we come down on the ground and we can pound them on the ground. Rub our sticks together, we rub our sticks together, we rub our sticks together. Because it's fun to do. Rub our sticks together. We rub our sticks together. We rub our sticks together because it's fun to do. Great job. All right. I want to see if we can do this. But not go perfectly. We're going to do our best. We're going to sing another song. And this is about a farmer who has a dog. And does anyone know what the name of this dog is? Bingo. Ooh. B-I-N-G-O. That is the name of our dog. So, the first time when we sing the song, we're just going to hold our sticks. We're not going to clap them at all. And I'm going to tell you what we're going to do each time. So let's hold our sticks quietly. We're going to sing it together one more time. One time to start out. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, good job not clapping your sticks together. So this time, when we sing it through, instead of the letter B, we're going to hit our sticks one time, all right? There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, I'm so impressed with y'all. So we're going to keep going. So this time instead of B-I, we're going to clap our sticks twice. There was a farmer had a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, Bingo, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh.
All right, this time it's going to be 4 claps.
There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh.
All right, this time we're just going to clap 5 times and not sing any letters.
There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh. Bingo was his name. Oh.
All right, let's go to 6 seconds again.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Good job.
Good job, Bailey. You're 6
That's
seconds.
cool.
Great job.
They'll be nice.
Oh, you got to be a house.
Yes.
The bucket.
3 girls. So we'll see if we can find. You guys have 2 wins.
You did? Awesome. Well, I wanted to let you know that we have our new level up ready, and I'm going to go grab it for y'all after story time so you can see all of our fun programs coming up in June, including the fact that we are starting our summer reading program in June. So this is a great way. You've done it before, you know, but if you're new to the library, you might not, that we have kids track their reading minutes and earn prizes. Does anyone like to earn prizes? Yeah, you can earn a lot of really fun prizes for reading over the summer. And we also have a lot of fun programs going on. So definitely take a look at that. And let me know if you have any questions. I'll happily to talk to it about you. And we are going to sing our goodbye song. So let's all stand up and we're going to wave and sing goodbye.
Wave and sing goodbye. We wave and sing goodbye. With our friends at story time, we wave and sing goodbye. We clap and sing goodbye. We clap and sing goodbye. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing goodbye. We stomp and sing goodbye. We stomp and sing goodbye. With our friends at story time, we stomp and sing goodbye. Smile and sing goodbye. We smile and sing goodbye. With our friends at story time, we smile and sing goodbye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
They all do